Reported speech.
Part 3.
Now let us understand some rules required to convert direct speech into reported speech. Conversion of tenses. If the direct speech is in the simple present tense, then there is no shift in the tenses in the reported speech. But if the direct speech indicates the past, then there is a shift in tenses in the reported speech. Hence, if the direct speech is in the simple tense, the reported speech would also be in the simple tense, and there is no change in the tense. However, if the direct speech indicates past tense, then there would be a shift in the tenses for the reported speech. Let us understand this by an example. Saurabh said, "I went for a jog yesterday." Here, the sentence is in simple past tense, hence the reported form of this sentence would not be in the same tense, that is, simple past tense in this case. Reported form of the sentence would be, "He said he had gone for a jog day before." Here in this sentence, past perfect form of the tense has been used. Hence we can conclude that there is a shift in tenses when the direct statement is not in a simple present tense. Let us take another example. The sentence in the direct speech would be, "I write poems." Now, since the sentence is in present tense, the reported form of this sentence too would be in the present tense. The reported form of speech for this sentence would be, "He says that he writes poems." You can carefully observe that this sentence is in present tense. Conversion of tenses. In order to better understand the conversion of tenses while changing direct to reported speech, let us see this table. Was or were will change to had been while converting the sentence from direct to reported form. For example, sentence in the direct speech is, "Sonu, I was working in the class." The sentence in the reported form will be, "Sonu said that she had been working in the class." You can clearly see that was has been changed to had been. Has been will change to had been while converting the sentence from direct to reported form. For example, sentence in the direct speech is, "Monu has been sleeping since morning." The sentence in the reported form will be, "Sonu said that Monu had been sleeping since morning." You can clearly see that has been changed to had been. Had been will not change while converting the sentence from direct to reported form. For example, sentence in the direct speech is, "I had been studying all afternoon." The sentence in the reported form will be, "Sachin said that he had been studying all afternoon." You can clearly see that had been has not been changed to any other form. If the sentence in the direct speech is in simple past tense, its corresponding reported speech would be in past perfect form. "I went to the market." This sentence is in simple past form. Its corresponding reported speech would be in past perfect form. Saurabh said that he had gone to the market. Had gone represents the past perfect form. If the sentence in the direct speech is in present perfect, its corresponding reported speech would be past perfect form. "I have begun writing the book." This sentence is in present perfect form. Its corresponding reported speech would be in past perfect form. Neha said that she had begun writing the book. Had begun represents the past perfect form. If the sentence in the direct speech is in simple past perfect, its corresponding reported speech would also be in past perfect form. I had already started watching the movie when Sonu entered the room. This sentence is in past perfect form. Its corresponding reported speech would be in past perfect form. Mahesh said that he had already started watching the movie when Sonu entered the room. He had already started represents the past perfect form. In changing from direct to reported speech, there are also changes in the expressions of time. Yesterday changes to the day before. So if word yesterday appears in the sentence in the direct speech, it changes to the day before in the reported speech. For example, in the direct speech, the sentence is, I had apples yesterday. In the reported speech, the sentence would be, Sunny said that he had apples the day before. You can clearly see that the word yesterday has been replaced by the day before. Tomorrow changes to the day after. So if the word tomorrow appears in the sentence in the direct speech, it changes to the day after in the reported speech. For example, in the direct speech, the sentence is, We will work on the lesson tomorrow. In the reported speech, the sentence would be, Joy said that they would work on the lesson the day after. You can clearly see that word tomorrow has been replaced by the day after. Today changes to that day. So if today appears in the direct speech, it changes to that day in the reported speech. For example, in the direct speech, the sentence is, I have to play today. In reported speech, the sentence would be, Saurabh said that he had to play that day. You can clearly see that word today has been replaced by that day.